Okay, we're going to talk about what you need to do to put drains into your CB8 cabbing machine. One of the nice things with the CB8 is it has an extra large drain port in the back, and that the tray is actually tilted towards the back so that all your water will flow out and through the port in the back and then down into some buckets. What we're going to cover is how to get from this to this. So I have some 3/4 inch NTP threads, I have some hose clamps, and I have some hose. So the first thing that we'll do is we'll use a 17mm wrench, and with the 17mm wrench we will loosen and then remove the end cap. Then you would normally put thread tape on. I'm not going to do this since this is a demonstration only. And then once your thread tape is on, you would screw this adapter into place. Once the adapter is in nice and tight, then take your hose clamp, put it on your hose, and once your hose clamp is on your hose, then using, in my case, 5/16, I would tighten that up so it holds. And then I would repeat the same process for the opposite side and empty it into the second bucket. I would always use 2 buckets to give you a maximum amount of drainage. And that is all there is to putting drains into your Highland Park CB8 cabbing machine. It's pretty straightforward and fairly easy to do.